Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quiche pie crust. Begin by measuring ingredients precisely and chilling your butter and flour before mixing. Use a quick pulse in a food processor or gentle cutting method by hand to achieve pea-sized butter pieces. Add ice water gradually to bring dough together without making it wet or sticky. Pat into a disc, wrap, and chill to relax gluten and maintain flakiness. In this video, I will explain how to mix dough for a flaky quiche crust. Start with cold butter and flour, pulsing just until pea-sized pieces remain. If mixing by hand, use short presses rather than continuous rubbing to preserve texture. Sprinkle ice water 1 tablespoon at a time and stop when dough barely holds together when squeezed. Form a disc, wrap it, and chill to firm up before rolling out. In this video, I will help you roll and shape a perfect quiche crust. Chill the dough until firm, then roll between parchment to keep things tidy and reduce flour use. Aim for an even thickness about 1/4 inch and rotate the dough frequently to keep it circular. Transfer gently to your tart pan, pressing into edges without stretching. Chill again briefly before blind baking to prevent shrinkage and bubbling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.